Welcome to Dream Car, your ultimate destination for exploring the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into an unexpected yet thrilling addition to Toyota's lineup, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup. A name synonymous with reliability and affordability now ventures into the pickup market, offering a fusion of practicality and style that's bound to turn heads. And the exterior of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup redefines rugged sophistication. It boasts a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a streamlined design that seamlessly blends the classic Corolla DNA with the robustness of a pickup truck. Its muscular wheel arches and high ground clearance make it ready for any terrain, while the bed space provides ample utility for both work and leisure. Whether it's urban errands or off-road adventures, this pickup strikes a balance between elegance and toughness. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that mirrors Toyota's commitment to comfort and technology. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, with high-quality materials that exude a premium feel. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with a 12-inch digital display and an intuitive infotainment system compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support for long drives, while the rear space comfortably accommodates passengers or extra cargo. Toyota hasn't compromised on safety either, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for unparalleled convenience. Under the hood, the Corolla Pickup is powered by a robust hybrid engine that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The 2.5-liter engine, combined with an electric motor, churns out over 250 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and reliable towing capabilities. Its all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction, making it a versatile option for various driving conditions. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, it's a practical choice for those who need a workhorse that doesn't compromise on style. As for pricing, Toyota has managed to keep the Corolla Pickup accessible. Starting at around $30,000, it offers tremendous value for a vehicle packed with this level of innovation, performance, and reliability. Higher trims, equipped with advanced features and premium finishes, reach up to $40,000, ensuring options for a range of budgets and preferences. At Dream Car, we believe the Toyota Corolla Pickup 2025 is more than just a new entrant in the pickup market. Just a statement of versatility and ingenuity. Whether you're looking for a reliable work companion or a stylish ride for your weekend getaways, this pickup is ready to meet your needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Car for more detailed reviews and insights into the cars of your dreams. See you next time.